product development, we are powering the cutting-edge product portfolio behind our revolutionary Ocado Smart platform. Our team designs, manufactures and is responsible for the rollout of our large-scale automation products, ranging from bots to grids and everything in between. These products are the backbone of our cutting-edge, highly automated warehouses.
Managing the safety and regulatory compliance is a critical part of developing our cutting-edge products. The sheer scale of our highly automated systems, with thousands of robots operating wirelessly, presents us with some unique challenges.
As an electrical design engineer at Ocado Technology, I'm designing state-of-the-art robotic systems and safety architecture using the latest software tools, selecting components and developing design verification test plans. Working here gives exposure to incredible products and innovation and gets more exciting as we continue to grow.
For us, reliability is of utmost importance. We test our systems to the extremes of aerospace and automotive industries. We do intensive testing right from the early design stages of the product through to the launch in order to make sure that our system and our product is delivered to our customers right first time.
We're a serial technology innovator from the product concept to the materials we use. We are continually finding new ways to break the mold in areas like battery technology, artificial intelligence, modeling and simulation.
The goal of our team is to create high quality, accurate documentation which can be used by our customers all over the world.
The data management team has a really important job. As Ocado Technology is growing, our data releases and engineering change control processes are also growing. Hence, the data management team's responsibility is to ensure that the latest product information is available to everyone within the value chain. And most importantly, our processes and IT systems are as effective and user-friendly as possible.
We are incredibly proud of our culture. We've got a huge amount of autonomy, but we're also highly collaborative. We're not afraid to experiment to push the boundaries of development. We are definitely not slowing down.